Hi, Nicola Askham here, and I'm really excited today to announce the launch of my new Data Governance Mastermind Workshop. Now, this is just a one-day event for people to come together and get answers and support in addressing their data governance challenges. So, when I launched my annual Data Governance Mastermind series, a number of people got in contact saying they were really interested and very keen to join, but for a number of reasons didn't feel they could commit to the whole year of the program. And that got me thinking that, perhaps I could offer some one off support to people in a similar format. So you may be wondering what happens at a one-day data governance mastermind workshop? Well, three things really. Firstly, you get to network with your peers who are doing similar roles, facing the similar challenges. Secondly, you will get an opportunity to ask me your specific questions and get tailored specific advice for your situation. But the main event of a data governance mastermind is going to be the hot seat. Now, the hot seat concept means that during the day, everybody will get a chance to have very focused, specific time when the whole group is considering their data governance challenges. And everybody, including me, gets to share their advice and experience in coming up with some really tangible, practical actions to help you take away and address those challenges. So, what do you take away from a day like that? Well, as I've already said, you'll get a clear action plan to take away with you to tackle your specific data governance challenges. You're going to have developed a wider network of supportive data governance professionals who've all got your back and will be available to continue to network and ask advice or in the future. And then finally, I am certain, given my own experiences in belonging to a mastermind, that you will leave with the confidence that you're not alone in tackling these issues and that there are other people going through similar experiences that are willing to help you out. Now, if that sounds of interest to you, just click on the link in the comments below. And I really hope I will see you at my next Data Governance Mastermind Workshop.